think it would be okay to do if you were just sitting in traffic, not moving at all, and it wasn't affecting your ability to drive safely down the road.
But Twitter also reaches people before they get into their cars, even keeping them off the roads, making it a little easier on the rest of us when the weather is at its worst. In Olympia, Glenn Farley, King 5 News.
Signing up for Twitter is free, but charges apply with your phone company depending on your plan. You can check it out by going to our website, king5.com.
UPS blames this month's snowstorms for delays in shipments of packages. But what happens when the package contains perishable medication? Barbara Seitz of Lacey still hasn't received her prescription for rheumatoid arthritis, even though it arrived at a UPS site near her home a week ago. The problem is the medication must stay chilled during shipment or it will spoil. Barbara's husband offered to pick up the medication from UPS, but UPS managers said no.
I tried to pick it up. I was willing to pick it up, but I wasn't allowed to. I found that very unreasonable, especially since that is essential medication for my wife, and also it's very expensive medication, which is most likely spoiled by now.
Seitz cannot get a new prescription until her pharmacy determines what happened to the undelivered prescription.
An 81-year-old Spanaway man accused of killing his son has been found incompetent to stand trial. A Pierce County judge dismissed the first-degree murder charge against Clarence Muntz today. Muntz has dementia. He was ordered to stay at Western State Hospital. Prosecutors say Muntz shot his 58-year-old son to death this summer after an argument over a car.
Police are still looking for whoever stole $70,000 in artwork from a Mercer Island home. That art stolen from a home on East Mercer Way. Police are hoping to retrieve 5 paintings, a photograph, and a glass art piece. The art was taken while the owner was briefly away from the home Saturday afternoon, October 25th. A dog walker pleads not guilty to stealing thousands of dollars in valuables from her wealthy customers. 64-year-old Mary Winslow Chodel is charged with theft, identity theft, and trafficking in stolen property. Police say one of the items she